Number 1. Digital image intensifier and flat panel detector technology technique is utilized in interventional radiology as it provides option A. Film-less environment. Option B. Has capability to store image easily in packs and picture achieving. Option C. Increase image quality and reduce radiation dose to the patient. Option D. All of the above. Right answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 2. The fixed flat panel detector system in fluoroscopy during interventional radiology has advantage over conventional image intensifier. Option A. Less radiation. Option B. Approximately 40% more coverage with larger field of view. Option C. Dynamic range is 5 to 10 times greater. Option D. All of the above. Right answer is option D. All of the above. Number 3. The advantages of fixed flat panel detector system in fluoroscopy over conventional image intensifier are: Option A. Better and improved visualization of vasculature. Option B. Contrast agent utilization reduced by approx 30%. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None of these. Right answer is option C. Both A and B. Question number 4. Digital tomosynthesis utilizes restructuring of multiple tomographic images from the data required during: Option A. Isocentric rotational motion of the gantry. Option B. Linear motion of the tube. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None of these. Right answer is option A. Isocentric rotational motion of the gantry. Question number 5. Digital tomosynthesis has advantage. Option A. Study time is short to less radiation. Option B. Acquired detailized image can be enhanced through manipulation of window and display. Option C. The technique can be applied for dynamic study. Option D. All of the above. Right answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 6. Limitation of digital tomography are: Option A. Limited field of view. Option B. Low spatial and contrast resolution. Option C. Geometric magnification and pin cushion distortion. Option D. All of the above. Right answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 7. Disadvantages of the PET are: Option A. No anatomical details. Option B. Large number of false positive and false negative results. Option C. Difficult to differentiate lesion from area of normal physiological uptake. Option D. All of the above. Right answer is option D. All of the above. Number 8. The advantages of the PET-CT are: Option A. Increased both sensitivity and specificity. Option B. Equivocal CT image can be detected. Option C. Hybrid scanner utilizes more accurate tumor. Option D. All of the above. Right answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 9. PET-CT has following disadvantages: Option A. More ionization radiation. Option B. Focal physiological uptake from large or small bowel malignancy. Option C. Residual tumor from post-therapy changes immediately after surgery or radiotherapy. Option D. All of the above. Right answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 10. PET MRI has advantages: Option A. Almost no radiation. Option B. Specific molecular enzyme and suppression. Option C. High sensitivity. Option D. All of the above. Right answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 11. In condenser discharge mobile equipment, does KBP has following changes during exposure: ऑप्शन ए इंक्रीजेज, ऑप्शन बी डिक्रीजेज, ऑप्शन सी नो चेंजेज, ऑप्शन डी फ्लैक्चुएट। राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी डिक्रीजेज। Question number 12. Which of the following equipment show decreases in kbp during actual length of exposure? Option A fixed X-ray unit, option B battery operated mobile units, option C condenser discharge mobile equipment, option D CT scan equipment. Right answer is option C condenser discharge mobile equipment. Question number 13. Capacitor discharge mobile X-ray equipment has option A lightweight, option B large size, option C high kbp, option D high MAS. Right answer is option A lightweight. Question number 14. Full form of PACS is option A picture and associated communication setup, option B picture receiving and communicating system, option C poster and sign setup, option D processing and cutting system. Right answer is option B picture receiving and communicating system. Question number 15. The benefits of PACS include option A security of the image storage, option B elimination of the film stores, option C better availability of the images, option D all of the above. Right answer is option D all of the above. Question number 16. The standard used in PACS is option A analog, option B DICOM, option C Windows, option D Office. Right answer is option B DICOM. Question number 17. The PACS workflow manager from the archive can option A send the image, option B retrieve the image, option C both of the above, option D none of the above. Right answer is option C both of the above. Question number 18. Service class user functions required on imaging modalities are option A modalities push, option B modality pull, option C print service, option D all of the above. राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव। दोस्तों रेडियोग्राफी पर एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन और देखना चाहते हैं तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन बटन को प्रेस कर लीजिएगा ताकि जो भी नया वीडियो अपलोड करूँ इसका नोटिफिकेशन आपको पहले पहुँचे। वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद।